Yo, what's up guys, it's Skipperman from Gearman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Bandai which came from the Mecha anime Armored Troopers VOTOMS. Yep. So this is a classic Mecha anime during 70s or 80s. I think 80s, yes, it's in 80s. So this is one of the nicest mecha here that I own from Bandai, and this is your 1/20th scale size model kit, and this is your Armored Trooper Bottoms Red Shoulder Custom. So this a militaristic kit. So ang ganda ng itsura niya. So ano siya malapit sa realidad yung disenyo niya, and it looks like yung Zaku or Grand Suit sa mga Gundam anime. And nagustuhan ko siya kasi gusto ko yung dating niya. So hindi siya malayo sa realidad kung mangyayari nga yung ganitong klaseng warfare, yung ganitong klaseng kit. So this is a 1/20th scale, so mabigat-bigat or malaki-laki, malaki-laking model version niya compared dun sa high grade and yung nire-release ng Wave Corporation na maliit, ganito siguro katangkad. And this one is the biggest model so far for the VOTOMS. So correct me if I'm wrong if this is really the biggest, but based on my research, this is the biggest VOTOM kit. So let's compare it with the other kits. So I have here the 1/100 scale average size Gundam or the Master Grade Mark II. So ayan, they're almost the same height, and the bottoms here will look like a Zaku. Yes, this look like Zaku on this kind of height. Okay, so let's compare it with a no grade or non-scale non-scale model kit from Moderoid, which is the what do you call this, Grand Zord. Yes, so Grand Zord, medyo maliit siya tingnan. And let's compare it with my other 1/72 scale from Bandai also, Ryujin Maru with Kujin Maru. So 1/72 scale, and this 1/20th scale here really towers all this scale here. Let's go with the articulation of this kit. By the way, this kit has very nice articulation for me, and there are so many hatches opening on this one. And let's go with the head. So the head here can rotate up to this far. Yep, like this. But the visor can also turn from side to side like this. Yeah. But be careful because the visor has this very delicate joint inside these slot here, this line slot here, and also it can twist, but unfortunately this is very stiff. I'm very careful when touching this because I might broke the delicate peg inside. Anyway, as you can see, the visor has gem stickers inside. Then it is being encased by an acrylic plastic. So there's a gem and acrylic plastic to make it more, as you can see, it's shining, and at the same time protected by the acrylic plastic there. It's very nice. Yep, more realistic, and it can be opened like this. Okay, and you will see the pilot figure inside, and aside from that, you can open this hatch here. Okay. to expose the full pilot there. Yep, that's the full pilot. And in the torso, you can open this hatch also, and you can see the feet of the pilot. So I think the purpose of this hatch here is to para pumasok yung hangin, tapos kunyari naiinitan na siya, di ba? So yan, para ma-expose yung, kumbaga pumasok yung hangin at malamigan siya konti. Yan. Ang kulit nga stig, di ba? Masyadong realistic. Ang daming mga cheche boreche, pero cool, may mga function siya. And yes, nakaupo siya dyan dito sa may gitna. And dito yung kanyang cockpit. Then merong piston doon. Ayun yung piston, yung gray pistons there. The head also can move. Ayan, nakakagalaw yung head niya. Ayan. Pero hindi ko na siya gagalawin. So, okay, it can close. And when you close, you need to press this down. Yep, also. Okay, galing. Then the shoulders can raise up to this far. So since this is a red shoulder custom, ang pinagkaiba lang nito is merong extra na red colored shoulder armor. Pero meron din siyang option if you want to make it the regular VOTOMS, you can change it to the green shoulder armor like this. So since this is a special force, I think special edition force nila, Elite Force. So the shoulder can move, or the arms can move 360 degrees, and it can raise up to this far. Okay. As you can see, the mechanism inside is different from the what we usually know in the Gundam figures. And the elbows can bend up to this far. Then may flap dito sa may wrist niya. And the hands are like this. His ball joint there, connected ball joint, and the fingers are articulated as well. The thumb, the index finger, but the three fingers are joined together. So this one, yeah. So it has a very realistic type of hand, but unfortunately the three fingers are not separated. But you can do so, separate each by cutting that piece of plastic that pastes them together. Okay. Okay, in the other arm here, the right arm has this mini bazooka, but I just changed the position. Supposed to be the position of this mini bazooka here is in the left arm, but kasi yung ito niya, yung kanyang magazine keeps on pumping yung Gatling gun dito sa gilid. So pangit, ayoko na babangga ng magazine yung Gatling gun. So I changed the location to the right hand or arm, and meron tayo ditong missile launcher sa waist and Gatling gun dito sa kanyang right side, left side. Then yung kanyang front skirt and side skirt, actually mabigat tong kanyang right arm, naglo-loose na siya, pero wala tong polycap, doesn't have any polycap. So the front skirt are loose like this. So normal yan, normal sa kanya yung ganyan yung kanyang front skirt. And back skirt, or back skirt, so free yan na gumaganyan. Then side skirt, ganito. And this ammo packs here are reserved for the rifle. So yan, may ammo pack siya. And you have also the option in changing the rifle into a short barrel, pero mas gusto ko yung long barrel siya, mas maangas. Then the feet or the legs can kick up to this far, And ayan, may flap siya dito na nag-open. And kick backward up to this far. The knees can bend up to this far also. But be careful with this flap here. This part of the armor here that keeps on opening, because you might end up breaking the pegs there. So it has a very delicate peg also. And ang ganda lang dito is you can see the internal parts of the legs inside. Yep, you can see the internal parts there. And on the feet, the feet armor here, or the foot armor like this, is also loose like that. So nag-open siya ng ganyan. Then it can move side to side. And meron siyang spike dito sa gilid. For example, the VOTOMS will fire some rockets. So para maging stable yung kanyang standing pose, it will draw the spike down and yan, itutusok niya sa lupa. Pero medyo mahirap siyang mahirap siyang ipaganahin kasi medyo tight yung joint nito. So ayoko na lang ayoko nang ibaba kasi baka mabali. Then ayan, may nag-open na flaps din dito. Ayan, for the booster I think. Yep. And there are wheels, both feet. Ayan, may wheels siya. So it reminds me of Gundam Leopard or Leopard from Gundam X, where hindi siya talaga tumatakbo or naglalakad. Still meron siyang pang rollerblade sa ilalim ng kanyang paa. And another armaments here is the yung missile launchers sa likod niya. And yung backpack niya is connected to the missile launchers and this Gatling gun in the right torso. Okay. So tanggal na yung missile launcher niya dito naman sa right. So let's clip it. So medyo na rin, medyo loose na kasi polycap lang yung pinagdidikitan niya. So yan, naglo-loose. Might as well you can glue it para hindi na maalis. Ganyan. Okay. Ayan, medyo loose na rin tong arms. Ayan, yung peg niya dito. Kasi nga yung polycap niya, medyo naglo-loosen din. Okay. Sabi, lagyan ko na lang ng pampasikip. Ayan. Okay. And that's it. Okay, good. So this is your VOTOMS 1/20th scale by Bandai, and I bought it around 4,000 pesos because the seller sold it to me at that price because medyo rare na din talaga to. Bihira ka na siguro makakita ng ganitong kit. So this is a last piece dun sa binilang kong shop from Malaysia. And dalawang klase siya, yung itong red custom or red shoulder custom, tsaka yung ordinary, yung walang ganito. So, good luck finding this. Sana makakita kayo. And this is a very enjoyable build. Napakasimple. Tsaka napaka-cool. Gustong-gusto kong binubuo dito yung tao dun sa loob. Kasi astig Ang ganda nung suit niya. Realistic. And hindi ka magsisisi pag binili mo to. Good articulation. Medyo loose lang yung polycaps dito sa may arms. Especially yung lagi nagbibit-bit ng gun. Itong right side medyo nag-loose. If you want to transfer this weapon sa kabila, pwede din. Pero katagalan maglo-loosen up din yung joint niya kasi mabigat yung mga barrel at armas niya. Good standing pose, hindi yan natutumba. Ang ganda ng foundation ng kanyang binte. So, okay na okay. And beginner-friendly kit also. So, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you for watching this unbox or out-of-the-box review of this Armored Trooper VOTOMS Red Shoulder Custom. Bye, God bless, take care. Masalamat, paalam sa inyong lahat. Auf Wiedersehen.